Space, a frontier. These are the voyages of meteorology at the Smash News Network. Least busted, name and news. We're starting things out looking at the jet streams. But first, the surface winds. So here are the surface winds of the western world. Some strong wind patterns there in the North Atlantic as well as the North Pacific. And if we bring up the 250 hectopascal winds, we'll see the jet stream scenario for this part of the planet. Quite a bit of chaos in the southern hemisphere continuing there, with less coherent jet streams as they approach summer. The solstice is coming, folks. Next, the jet streams of the eastern world. Quite a bit of chaos there in the southern hemisphere as well. Some trans-equatorial jet streams happening there as well. You can see the jet stream there passing the equator as well as diverging a bit in the South Pacific. And here are the surface winds of the eastern world. A strong onshore wind at Kamchatka. That's probably like a 50, 60 mile per hour wind up there. Let's continue on to do a forecast from Tropical Tidbits. So you may not have seen our forecast on Tropical Tidbits before. Here's how we do it. It's a tutorial. So if you head to the forecast model, you click on GIF. There you go. And we'll create a GIF animation here for the next 72 hours over the lower 48. So there's your 72-hour GFS forecast, and you can see the snow continuing to fall here. This low pressure going to move up toward Minnesota and Wisconsin. Some extremely heavy snow associated with this. It's going to re-intensify as it gets to Minnesota there, according to the GFS 72-hour forecast. And let's zoom out and do a snow forecast here for the lower 48. So this is the European model. And we're going to move this to Thursday at 12 noon. So there's where we expect things to be Thursday at 12 noon. And check out the snow expectations here. Maybe a little bit downgraded in California, but some extremely heavy snow certainly in the forecast there. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county's lit up in weather.gov, click on your county. Some blizzard warnings there in southern Alaska, southwestern Alaska. And here's your NASA GOES lightning mapper. No terrestrial lightning in the U.S., it looks like. We hope things are getting rebuilt in Kentucky, following a series of many tornadoes. So here's a real-time lightning map, courtesy lightningmaps.org. Things are pretty calm as far as lightning goes at the moment, it looks like. By the way, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to all of our Twitch followers. It's just such a great live streaming platform that we just use it on the regs. We'll be making more gaming videos and so on. We're in the science and technology genre. And who knew we would be as big as we are in science and technology on Twitch? We're also on BitChute. Thanks to all of our BitChute subscribers, but if you're only watching there, make sure you view on YouTube. Most of our content is on YouTube. Today's featured product is all of them. All of them. Check the links below the video to find ways to support our channel if you enjoy the content. Pick up some merch, share with your friends and foes. Universum Liberate, make Earth not suck again. Thanks to everybody who has. Thanks to the Smash team. The true source of funding for the content is no longer Patreon. It's smashamash.com/Smash team. We replaced Patreon with something superior, our own website, and we'll be putting up free posts visible to all of the public through the year 2021. Support the channel via crowdfunding via smashamash.com/Smash team at a gold, silver, or gold paid up membership. Let's get back to meteorological topics. Here's what's going on over the South Pacific in terms of water vapor in the atmosphere. It's pretty dry, especially in the southeastern Atlantic. Also an equatorial dry band there. That's the NASA GOES interactive weather satellite suite for water vapor over the Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest heat sink. Yeah, it takes thousands and thousands of years for oceans to heat up and cool down. Let's continue on here. Here is the U.S. Doppler Radar outlook. There you go. There's the U.S. Doppler Radar, all 50 states. And you can see that blizzard starting to materialize there in southwestern Alaska. We'll focus on the lower 48 for the rest of the video. Here is the Doppler radar scenario. Here's the cloud layer, the NASA GOES shortwave radiation map, and there is the water vapor. And here's your recap, the lower 48 U.S. Doppler radar. There's the cloud layer. When it's too dark to see clouds and fog at nighttime, we use the shortwave radiation. 3.9 nanometers. And here is the water vapor map. That should help you out. Hopefully it does. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.